Today, we're going to take a quick look at how to set up a simple Internet of Things or IoT system to monitor operations such as water tank filling and dispensing or pit latrine capacity, as well as environmental conditions at remote sites without cellular or internet connectivity. For our system, all the major components for a small pilot can fit into this backpack. Let's get started. Okay, let's unpack these components from the backpack next to this water tank. There are three types of components in this IoT monitoring system. The first are the field sensors themselves, which are used to collect the data for the operations you want to monitor. Since we are looking at remote operations without cellular or extensive network connectivity, we're using sensors with LoRa technology built in, and that makes them capable of transmitting small amounts of data periodically, such as hourly or daily, over country-dependent open frequencies. These units are also capable of transmitting over extremely long distances, which makes them well suited for very remote locations. They're self-contained, battery operated, and can last years in the field. As you can see, there are a variety of commercially available LoRa sensors for your system. For this demonstration, we're using a LoRa ultrasonic sensor, which can measure the water height in the tank. Periodically, the sensor will take a reading of the water height and transmit the data out. Now, for this demonstration, we're doing it every 15 seconds. However, in the field, it will probably be hourly or once or twice a day. The data is received by another LoRa device called a gateway, which reformats the data and sends it to a LoRa network server, or LNS, which communicates with and tracks all of the field sensors. From here, the LNS sends the data to another small computer, which stores the data and runs software so that users can access and visualize it. The LNS and small computer can be connected over a local area network, or actually use a Wi-Fi access point that's built into the LNS. Now let's set up the system and see it run. First thing we need to do is actually turn the sensor on using a phone app from the device manufacturer. Next, let's connect the LNS and small computer to the LAN and power them up. While the two computers are booting up, we'll install the ultrasonic sensor over the tank. Once the computers are up and running, we can connect a laptop or a tablet to a dashboard running on the small computer. Now I'll turn on the pump and start filling the tank. You can also connect to the dashboard with your phone. Let's zoom into the dashboard on the tablet. You can see the fill level in the tank rising on the graph. Once the volume reaches around 50 liters, I'll turn off the pump and you'll see the tank drain and the fill height decline. For additional information on the IoT system architecture, different options for environmental, water tank, or pit latrine monitoring, and more in-depth visualizations, watch the next video. Thank you very much.